Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can draw this Kirby. First, I'm going in and making a circle. I'm filling it in with black for now, just so I have a full shape. Moving on to a new layer and selecting a light pink, I'm making an arm at the top and side of the body. On a new layer, I'm going to make another oval shape for the foot. You want to duplicate this layer, flip it, and drag it over. After merging the 2 feet together, I'm putting them underneath the circle layer and the arms. I'm now selecting a light pink for the body and moving on to a new layer to make long black ovals for the eye. You want to duplicate this layer so they are identical. I'm now hiding the eye layer and going in with the light pink on a new layer to give dimension to the body. You want to shade the middle with a light whitish pink and put a darker shade of pink around the edges. This is going to make the body appear to look like a sphere. For the arms, I've created a new layer and added some light pink shades. After testing a few shades for the feet, I decided on a color in between red and pink. You want to create a new layer and select Clipping Mask so that you can add a shadow to the tops of the feet and a highlight on the bottom. For the eyes, I've gone ahead and duplicated the layer and painted the new layer blue. You then want to select it and reduce the size so it fits inside of the black. I'm focusing on the left eye first. Once you get the size you want and you can still see the black eye behind it, you want to erase the right one. Then duplicate this layer and drag it to the right. You now want to merge your layers together. On a new layer, select Clipping Mask and start coloring in a darker shade of blue towards the top. You want to create a gradient effect, keeping a lighter blue towards the bottom. I'm now going to erase half of the blue portion of the eye in a U shape. On a new layer, draw a white oval at the top of the eye. Create another layer and select a light shade of blue and color over the white portion. I'm now putting this underneath the white layer and duplicating it. For the mouth, you want to draw a rounded triangle in a red color. To add some depth, create a new layer and select Clipping Mask. Color darker red towards the top of the mouth. For your cheeks, you want to create a dark pink oval, and with a soft brush, add some pink to the edges so it has a softened appearance. I'm going in and adding some more highlights to the middle of the body and arms. There you have it. This is how to draw Kirby. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you would like to see next.